love it when the sheath comes together. Gorgeous. So that's that. This is available. This one. Galahad double dip stabilised Redwood scales with a beautiful leather sheath, belt loop, cover flap, and I've done the Renaissance Assassins outside. Really nice stuff. So yeah. This leather in it. Knife, yeah. But 90% of the time you see the sheath as they're walking around. So that gets them, that reels them in, and then you go boom. Double whammy. Because it wouldn't work if the sheath was awesome and the blade was the sheath's got to be great and the knife's got to be great, because it's the system, isn't it? You can't put that in your pocket. You need a sheath. If you have a sheath, ain't got a knife in it ain't no good, is it? Go together. The sheath, knife. Wessex Blades sheath.